Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 11 in the How to Build a Website in Builderall series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a booking calendar to your website. A booking calendar is an easy way for your visitors to set appointments, maybe you're a hair salon or a dentist, or in our example today, a veterinarian. So to begin, we first want to go to our Cheetah website builder. Go ahead and click Enter. All right, so our animal rescue demo site. Click Edit Site. And an easy way to get to the booking page is on the left-hand side when you're inside your website. Go down and click Booking, and it'll take you to your booking app. All right, and as you can see, this is the dashboard. We have one calendar, and we have our income, our canceled income, subscribers. This is where you're going to find all the information you need to, make sure everyone's setting appointments correctly. So what we want to do is we want to create a new calendar. And right here we have all our examples of what we can do to create a calendar. We can do a consultation. And down below it shows examples under consultation. So we can do mentoring, coaching, like a hairdresser, barbershop, manicure, makeup. This is what we're going to do today. Or consultations, medical, dental. So we have our features, and we can do available times, individual sessions, fixed sessions, and you can also create a no overlapping rules. So that's really, really great. So first of all, we want to go ahead and create our new calendar. And we want to make this, let's see, I think I already created one. So I'm going to go to calendars. Yep, I did. I'm going to go ahead and delete this, just so we're not confused. I'm going to go back to dashboard on the left. Create new calendar. I call this vet appointment calendar, just like the last one. And click the create new calendar. Sorry about that, got a phone call. So as you can see, we have our title, vet appointment calendar. And over here, we can place our logo. And as you can see, it's they don't want anything bigger than 1 megabyte. And it should be 250 pixels wide by 75 pixels tall. And I already created one ahead of time. So just go ahead and click that. I'm going to click the one I created. All right. You can also choose a matching color with your logo. I'm just going to keep it white. And under description, I'm going to type in, please choose a time and date for your pet's appointment. I click type in thank you. Oops. Okay. Okay, and as you can see, the title and description, they are both going to be seen by your visitors. So we want to make this a little bit more appealing to the visitor. So we're going to change this to our fictitious name. So Animal Rescue Clinic. Oops. Okay. Booking calendar. Okay. As you can see, it's only 40 characters. So we got to change the titles. Animal Rescue Clinic Booking Calendar. And description, of course, can be seen by the visitor as well. So we want to make sure it's some directions there. We have our logo uploaded. And under time zone, we can let them choose their own time zone or make a predefined time zone. I like to let them choose. It just makes it a lot easier. And after they subscribe and sign up in the booking app, you can choose to have a success message or to redirect them to a URL. I do recommend you build out your own page, another redirect page, and then redirect them. You can click that. You can choose a page after you create it. So maybe you created one, you created it, and you made a thank you page. You can click the thank you. You can also do a custom URL. So if it's outside of your website, you can go ahead and paste it in there too. But for now, I'm just going to place it as the display success message, and you can choose what you want to put down there. You can go ahead and click save and next. Okay, so as you can see at the top, we have groups. Now, what a group is let's say you have a dentist website, and you can choose to set an appointment, and you can choose to set which dentist you want to see. Each person or group will have their own title, description, who hosts it, and their schedule. So you can choose their times, the dates that they're available, whether they're not available. And in this example, we're going to choose group 1. And I already have this set up, so we're going to choose a veterinarian. So it's going to be Dr. Michael Harris, it's fictitious, a fictitious name. I'm going to paste it in there. Don't have to put a description if you don't want to. Now, hosts is whoever's going to monitor the calendar and keep track of times and let the doctors know when their appointments are set. So I want this to look professional. So I'm going to go ahead and save and exit, or save and next, sorry. And of course, it didn't fill anything out, so it's not going to let me. But I want to go to the side here and go to hosts. And this is me right here, but I don't want it to be my name. I want it to be the company's name. It just looks a lot more professional. So we're going to click New Host, enter name. So I'm going to choose Animal Rescue Clinic. And I'm going to type in, let's see. Let's go ahead and use a Animal Rescue Clinic. Go ahead and type in, let's see, appointments at animalrescueclinic.com. And the name, which is visible to the viewer, to the visitor. So we want that to display the business. I click Save. And now we have our area right here. Go ahead and add one more thing. I'm going to use another image. And let's see if we can upload an image real quick. All right. You know what? For now, I'm not going to add an image. Just going to save that. Okay, and on the left, we can go back to our calendars. Click calendars. Click Edit. We want to make sure all the information is still here on the first page. Save and exit. Under title, we want to paste that. Okay. And now under hosts, we can choose our Animal Rescue Clinic host. It'll look a lot more professional. Okay. All right. Now the starting point is, when they're going to be able to start, how soon they can start once they get to work. So you can keep this at whatever you want to. I usually choose about 10 minutes. The session duration, This is how long typically each appointment will take. So I like for, if it's just a consultation for a veterinarian clinic, I just choose 30 minutes. And this is the break in between appointments. And so I usually choose no hours, but I choose, let's see, maybe 10 minutes. And this is going to give the vet, more time in between to set up for the next appointment. So let's say Dr. Michael Harris here, the veterinarian. He works all days except Sunday, so you can click off on Sunday. And let's say, he also does not work Saturdays, so you can click Saturday off. And maybe he has, but okay, so he works Saturday, but he's off maybe Wednesdays. Okay. And the available dates are when he's available, of course, the months he's available. Let's say he takes vacation in summertime. Maybe his kids are out of school, so he takes it out of August. So during the whole month of August, he's off and no appointments can be set. Now, sessions are the number of times you can come in for the appointment. So let's say you're a dentist and you have teeth cleanings. You can choose how many sessions you want, in a month or in a year. This is a vet appointment for your pet, so we're just going to leave this at 1. And we don't need to worry about these either. We can also block specific dates. So we click the calendar, and let's say in July, maybe his birthday is on the 11th. So you would click the July 11th, and then you can click Add. Now his birthday is blocked out, and no one can make appointments. So that's a great way to make it so he's able to get time off. Now the advanced configuration, the approval is you can approve manually or automatically. I'll keep it at automatically. And this is up to you. You can allow subscribers to cancel their schedule. I always, like to allow because, things do happen. I also like to accept rescheduling, so you can keep that there. And also I like to display the times that are hidden. So like I said, the birthday, the whole month out that he took vacation, I like to show it as busy. And of course, you want to limit the scheduling in this instance to 1. But maybe you had a group event that you had scheduling, and up to 15 people could join. You can click the change this to 15. And you can also change the email limit. So if a person uses the same email, it's going to limit them to one appointment per email. Go ahead and click Save and Next. Okay, now this is the form field that the visitor will see after they click the booking button. As you can see, we have set up our name, email address, and the phone number. The name and the email address both have red asterisks. That means that they're required. But we want to make the phone number required as well. So over here on each of these fields, we have a pencil icon. That's to edit the field. Click that, and we can hit required. Click OK, and now that has an asterisk as well. This button, you can add a new field. You can click it, type the title, the short text, click if it's required or not, and save. For now, that's what we're going to use for our fields. Save and next. Now, the communication area is after they have sent and set up their booking, you can send them a confirmation, and you can send them through emails, or you can send them for a new subscription or pending subscriptions. So I would highly recommend that you do send confirmation. So you click this, yes, immediately after scheduling, and you can edit this. These are the emails. So you want to leave the area, the information in brackets, because that's going to pre-fill out their forms. So the schedule and the lead name. So you can also send text messaging if you have credits, and that's a really great way these days, especially to get in contact with your leads. I'm going to click done. And reminders, of course, I would recommend that you do reminders. So click yes. And you can choose to send a reminder to email to host as well. That way the person hosting and the person that's receiving it gets it as well. And I like to, when you click the new reminder, I like to change it to a 1 hour. That gives them plenty of time to get ready and get set. All right, and you can send a default or a specific email sender. The default is the built-in Builderall one. I like to keep it at that too, but you can also add your own. So that's that. So if you choose a specific email sender, you can change this. You can change the reply to email as well. But for now, you can just use default. Click Save and Next. Okay, and you can also choose to sync with Google Calendar or not to sync with Google Calendar. You can also choose to sync with the Zoom. And you can also have the person that books the booking to subscribe to a list or do nothing. Now, if you choose to sync with Google Calendar, you're going to need to integrate the particular calendar into Builderall and the booking app. So you can create the integration here. So down below, we're going to click Save and Next. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong one. Save and Next. And here you can also choose to add a payment gateway. So if you want to, let's say you can if you have a hair salon, you can charge right then and there for the appointment. However, in the case of our veterinary clinic, we don't want to allow them to pay yet because we want to have a 10% coupon. Also, we want to be able to charge them for what their pet actually needs. So we're not going to enable that. But if you do want to enable it, you can set up your billing. And you can also choose the super checkout that's built into Builderall. We're going to click Not Enable. Save and Next. And there we go. Our calendar is done. This is our link. So we're going to go ahead and make a note of that. You can also add it into your Cheetah website, or you can embed it in a WordPress website or any website that accepts iframes and coding. Also on the top, we can edit. Also, we can customize. And this is going to allow you to change the color. You can choose a predefined template. You can do main background, header background. As you can see on top, we have our logo. So this is a great way if you'd like to choose your own, your look and style. I like the way it looks already. It pretty much matches my website as it is. I'm just going to click Save. Okay, what I want to do next is I want to create another group just to show you how to add another person in. Click Calendars. I'm going to click Edit. Click our basic settings. Click Save. We want scheduling. Now you see Group 1 is what we already have. And we want to add Group 2. So add another group. We'd go ahead and fill this information in as well. Choose the different times that they're available, the dates. And we would continue all the way through until we have 2 groups. just like we did the first time. So what we want to do now is we're going to build out our booking calendar page on our website. Go ahead and click the X. And what we want to do is we want to create our new booking calendar website. So let's go ahead and copy one of these pages instead of creating a new one from scratch. Click the settings and click duplicate. All right. And it appears right here. So we're going to go ahead and go to the top and click sort. I'm going to place this down here. Save sort. Okay, you can see our claim our coupon page. This is our copy. So we want to rename it by going to settings. Want to schedule an appointment. And we'll copy this right here. We want to paste this here as well. I want to make sure these are all lowercase. I want to make sure there's a dash in lowercase. Okay. All right, that's all set up. I want to click save. Now we have our schedule an appointment page. Click edit. All right, we have to change this text because remember it's a copy of the claim your coupon page. But as you can see on top, it's actually the schedule an appointment page. Let's go ahead and do that. Schedule an appointment. Click out of here. I'm going to make this larger. And we want to place this in the middle about. There we go. I want to delete the copy text and the button. Now with this panel selected, go to Add, Panels, and we'll go down to Calendar page. Go ahead and click that. Go click Settings. Okay, so we want to go ahead and let's see. I actually want to delete this because I want to choose the booking thing. So I'm going to click the panel. Okay, we can click this panel. I'm going to go to Elements and Booking. Now we can choose our calendar because we already created one. So Animal Rescue, Show Info, yes. Show All. Click Save. And there we go. Okay. Go ahead and delete this real quick. And there we go. So now we want to click Save. That's fine. And we want to go to the website. So click Go to Website. There we go. And as you can see, it's blank because we haven't set the link for that. And also, this is the home page. Our pop-up pops up from our last video. So we want to close. What we want to do is we want to close this again. and go to the schedule appointment page. Go to website. And there we have it. You can see Dr. Michael Harris, 1 session. We have our title here. The instructions, please choose a time and date for your pet's appointment. Thank you. And here we go. We can choose, let's see, choose a date. Choose the 17th at, let's see, we can choose our time zone as well. Let's say 9 o'clock. So you enter your name, email address, and phone number. So go Ted. And choose that. We'll click schedule. And as you can see right here, we have our thanks for signing up message and the schedule details. Your commitment is scheduled. This is the time and date, time zone, animal rescue calendar, the information we input, and then the user can also set their Google Calendar, Outlook, or Yahoo. So there you have it. This is how to set a booking calendar, the page, and the booking app itself on your website. Thanks again for watching this video and taking the time out of your day. If you're interested in more video tutorials or you have questions and answers, go ahead and place your comment in the comments down below. Also, if you're interested in a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, my affiliate link is down in the description down below. Thanks again for watching the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.